start, I want to ask you who wants to lead our prayer. I want boys. Boys, I want you. Siapa yang mau? Chester? Okay. Chester, before you start, please see your friends. Apakah sudah ready or not to pray?
Are you ready, friends?
Answer the Chester, please. Yes, we are ready, Chester.
Yes, we are ready, Chester.
Okay, Chester.
Dear God, thank you for today. We are going to study at home. Bless everyone. Thank you, God. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Chester. Good job, ya. Next time, I want girls. Okay, I want girls. Okay. Okay, let's get started, ya, kids, ya. But, I want to ask you first. Who have seen the PDF learning and also the video tutorial? Novin. Okay, good job, Kayla, Chester, Moria. How about Cyril? Not yet.
I already see the video, Miss. What?
Who have seen the video tutorial? The video tutorial. Cyril, not yet?
Miss, not yet. Ada jawabannya, Miss.
Okay, how about Radit? Already Radit? Not yet?
Miss, Putra already.
Oh, Putra already. Good job, Putra. Okay, good job. How about Juan, Giselle, Restu, Alira, Moria already. Good job. How about you kids? Already seen the video tutorial? Not yet? Not yet. How about Juan? Kenapa nggak ditonton, nak? Okay, it's okay ya. So, for who have seen the video, I want to ask you, bagi siapa yang udah nonton videonya atau lihat PDF learningnya, what we are going to learn? Who knows? Apa yang mau kita pelajari hari ini? Oke, Chester.
What, Miss?
What we are going to learn? Apa topik hari ini?
Division tanpa reminder. Kita ulang lagi.
Oh, good job. Yeah, now we have more practice about division without reminder and regrouping. Sama seperti last meeting, but now we more practice. Okay? But before that, I want to show you again the video tutorial ya kids ya. Bagi siapa yang belum melihat, disimak ya nak ya. Oke, share. Oke. Nah, kids, I want to remind you, we also have recording of our meeting. Every meeting ya kids ya. Jadi kita punya record meeting kita di setiap Zoom meeting kita. You can see in my YouTube channel JCJDS, okay? And I will share the link after this class also ya kids ya. Nah, di sini Miss sudah buat video tutorial. Nah, wait ya. There's a playlist that you can see. Nah, this is grade 3 math. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya nanti mau ujian atau if you have any question or do you want to know something about that we have learned, jika kamu ingin tahu apa yang sudah kita pelajari, you can click on this. Okay, you can check on this. Nah, Miss sudah buat di sini about the division, quotient, recording, odd and even, practice. Nah, ini semua tentang Math Get Grade 3 Falcon class. Oke ya kids ya. Now I want to show you about our practice. So, disimak ya kids ya.
Hi kids, welcome back with Miss JC. Today we are going to learn about division without remainder and regrouping. Nah, yang artinya pembagian tanpa remainder, yang artinya sisa, and regrouping, yang artinya pengelompokan. Jadi, pembagian tanpa sisa dan pengelompokan. Nah, jangan lupa steps-nya seperti yang ada pada gambar. Yang pertama itu divide atau pembagian. And then after that, multiply atau perkalian, lanjut ke subtract atau pengurangan, and bring down atau kita turunkan. Nah, after that, we continue again to divide. Nah, jadi bisa dilihat dari sini stepnya adalah berulang. Oke, sekarang ada contohnya di sini halaman 88. 63 divided by 3. Okay, first you have to make this become long division. Long division itu seperti ini ya nak ya, 63 dibagi 3. Nah, ini adalah bentuk dari long division. Oke, nah sekarang kita bisa masuk ke steps. The first is divide. Oke, yang kita bagikan itu the first we divide the left side. The left di sini adalah angka 6, which is the tens place atau puluhan. Okay, now we divide 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Okay, so 2 goes on top. Okay, nah jadi hasil pembagian itu ditulis di atas. And then after we divide, we continue to multiply. Okay, multiply. Yang 2 ini hasilnya tadi, the result is 2. We multiply with 3. 2 kali 3, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Nah, hasil perkaliannya, we write below 6. Nah, kita buat di bawah angka 6. And then after we multiply, we subtract atau pengurangan. Berarti kita buat simbol pengurangan. 6 minus 6 equal 0. Okay? Nah, after that, what is bring down? Okay? We bring down the number 3. Okay, so we have 3 in here. And after bring down, we continue to divide. Yang artinya kita kembali ke pembagian lagi. So, 3 divide by 3. 3 dibagi 3 is equal to 1. Don't forget to write on the top hasil pembagian. Okay, after that, we multiply. 1 times 3 equal 3. Don't forget to write below 3. And after we multiply is subtract atau pengurangan. Kita buat simbol pengurangan. 3 minus 3 equal 0. Okay? Nah, after subtract, we continue to bring down. But see, there is no number in here that we want to bring down. Sudah tidak ada lagi angka di samping angka 3 yang mau kita bring down, kita turunkan. It means we finish. Nah, so the result is on the top. Don't forget on the top. Jadi hasilnya adalah 21. So the conclusion is 63 divided by 3 is equal to 21.
Okay, udah dilihat semuanya kids? Udah dilihat video tutorialnya? Oke, already ya. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya udah dilihat video tutorialnya, ketika kamu ada pertanyaan, you can ask in the Zoom meeting. Oke, itu kenapa jika ada video tutorial harus dilihat dulu. Oke, kalau misalnya kelambatan, kamu bisa percepat videonya. Jika kecepatan, kamu bisa perlambat. Up to you ya kids ya. Oke ya. Now I want to share our material of today. Our topics ya. Practice ya. Oke, 2 minutes ya kids. Oke. Kids, now we are going to learn about practice division without remainder and regrouping. Jadi, kita akan belajar kembali tentang pembagian tanpa sisa dan pengelompokan. Jadi, ini masih basic of division. Oke, kids. Nah, but before that, I want to ask you about your memory, okay? Do you still remember about the multiplication?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good job. Now I want to give you an information. Okay, so every meeting, I want to ask you or to test you about multiplication. Karena semester lalu kan we already learn about multiplication, ya kan? But I think most of you masih belum hafal, belum ingat tentang multiplication. Nah, padahal multiplication is a basic for our division. Kalau nggak hafal multiplication, akan susah untuk division, pembagian. Oke ya kids ya, make sure.
Teach us which sound like this example multiplication of 6. I already.
Okay, I know that. Miss Ruth teach with song, right? Okay, so it's gonna make easy for you to remember about multiplication. Nah, kalau pakai song kan berarti kita udah paham kan, misalnya perkalian 6 dan multiplication of 6 by song, okay? So now I want to ask you secara randomly, acak. Oke, jadi kan kalau misalnya kita udah belajar by song in the last semester, now kita harus bisa lebih cepat lagi perkaliannya, nak. Okay, so for example, if I ask you like 7 times 7, nah jadi anak-anak Miss, all of you kids have to answer directly. Jadi usahakan kalau ditanya 7 kali 7 langsung tahu dia, karena kan udah belajar sama Miss Ruth tentang the multiplication kan?
Yes.
Jadi semester ini harus lebih cepat dia. Oke ya kids ya. Oke. Now good job. Okay, now I want to ask one of you to answer this. Oke, jadi tiap minggu Miss akan membuat seperti ini. Oke, and I will call your name and then you answer this ya kids ya. Okay, first I want to ask Kayla. I want to ask Kayla. Okay, Kayla, this is for you. Number 3 ya. Oh wait, warnanya bisa ganti dulu ya kids. Okay, nah this is number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, for Kayla, I want you to answer number 3. 9 times 5.
9. What means 9 times 5? 40.
45. Okay, good job. Okay, good job ya Kayla ya. Now, Jecha, I want to ask Jecha. Number 2. 6 times 8.
48.
Okay, good job. 48. Oh, kids, I want to ask Cyril. Cyril, 7 times 7 is equal to
49.
Okay, good job. Okay, now that's all for multiplication. Next meeting, I will ask another of you ya guys ya. Jadi siapa yang belum nanti. Okay, good job ya Cyril ya. Next meeting, Miss will ask you ya yang lainnya ya nak ya. Jadi make sure you have to prepare yourself about multiplication. Okay ya kids ya. Okay, now after multiplication, we can enter to division. Okay, remember ya kids ya, this is the step. What the first step kids of division?
Divide.
Yeah, good job, divide. After divide, we?
Multiply.
Good job, multiply. After we multiply, we?
Subtract.
Yeah, subtract. After we subtract, we
Bring down.
yeah. After we bring down,
Divide.
okay, back to divide again. Yeah. After divide,
Multiply.
multiply again. So this is the step repeated ya kids ya. Jadi berulang-ulang sampai nanti we finish the division. Okay. Now we can try by looking this example. Okay. Nah, kids, ini kan example-nya 93 divided by 3. Secara langsung kan kalau kita bagikan di kepala, it's like more difficult ya kan kids? 93 dibagi 3, 93 divided by 3. Okay, because it's not easy. Kita buatlah dia become long division. Oke, long division itu artinya bersusun ya kids ya, pembagian bersusun. Nah, jadi dia akan bersusun ke bawah. Oke. First, don't forget to make the term. Buat polanya seperti ini ya kids ya, 93 divided by 3. Oke, after that, what the first we do kids? Setelah kita 93, apa yang mau kita lakukan?
What, Miss?
After we write down like this, 93 divided by 3. So the first step is
9.
yeah, we divide the 9 kan? Okay. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, right?
3.
Ya, so hasil pembagiannya kita tulis di atas nak like this. Oh, di atas angka 9 itu ya, Miss? Iya. On the top. Okay, after we divide, the next step is multiply. Ya. Nah, jadi kita kalikan lagi. 3 times 3 equal
0.
3 times 3.
1 yes.
9. Ya, jadi 9-nya ditulis di bawah angka 9. Oke ya kids ya. And then after we multiply, we subtract. Ya, good job. Ya udah, we subtract lah. 9 minus 9.
0.
0. Okay, good job. After we subtract, we bring
1.
bring
down.
Okay, bring down. Yang bring down itu di sebelah angka 9 kan kita udah selesai dengan angka 9. Udah kita selesai, kita bagikan, kita kalikan. And the next is we bring down.
Bring down again.
Yeah, bring down the 3 number, okay? After we bring down, we divide again, don't forget, okay? So we have 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal 1. Okay, good job, 1. And then 1-nya kita tulis di sini.
It's up.
Yeah, on the top, yeah, in the up. Okay, good job. After we divide, we continue to
Multiply.
yeah, we multiply number 1, 2, 3. So 1 times 3 is 1 times 3.
3, Miss.
Okay, good job. 3. Don't forget to write 3 below the 3. And after we multiply, we subtract. Okay, subtract 3 minus 3 equals
0.
0. Okay, good job. Now kids, ini kan example. Sekarang kita Any questions so far kids? Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Misalnya Miss Radit kurang paham di bagian ininya Miss. You can
Yang mau tanya, Miss.
Yeah, what is that?
Saya tidak bisa pembagian yang pakai ratusan.
Okay, so you can the higher level ya, level yang lebih tinggi. Because now we just on the tens and ones. Jadi masih puluhan dan satuan, belum ke ratusan. Okay,
Saya juga udah bisa yang ratusan.
Oh iya. But wait ya kids ya. So now if you already can, now I want to ask you to do this. Okay, open your notebook.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now do number 1 by using long division. Kerjakan sendiri ya nak ya, number 1.
Halaman, Miss?
Enggak halaman nak, yang di slide Miss ini.
Untuk kalau exercise, Miss, pas udah dikerjain, dikumpul.
Not yet, enggak perlu ya nak ya. Because in the next meeting, which is Wednesday, baru di situ nanti Miss ngasih tugas. Biar dikumpul di hari
Miss.
ya.
Exercise ya, Miss.
Miss that?
Exercise book.
In the notebook ya kids ya, ditulis di catatan di buku catatan, in your notebook. Okay, try this. Just number 1 first. Satu-satu kita bahas. Kerjakan dulu yang nomor 1. Make in long division.
Miss, right.
Iya, di right soalnya ya nak ya.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, Miss wait ya.
Itu ditulis. Miss pakai caranya. Itu ditulis di mana?
Okay, you can write in your notebook and buat caranya, how you get it by long division.
I'm already.
Miss.
Ya.
Ini exercise atau PR?
Ini cuma exercise, enggak PR, enggak dikumpul. Sekarang juga kita bahas, nanti tanya jawaban kalian. Ya, Jeca?
I'm already finished number 1.
Okay, if you already finished, you can chat privately to me your answer. Okay? Jangan ada yang pakai kalkulator ya nak ya. Do it by yourself. Pasti bisa. Miss yakin pasti bisa. You can do it.
Miss tulis in notebook.
Iya, in your notebook.
Oke, Miss.
Okay.
Miss, I'm already sent to you.
Okay, Jecha already. Jecha, do you use long division?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good job. Okay. Di passion ya Jecha ya, nanti kita bahas ya Jecha ya.
Miss, long division itu yang ke bawah ya?
Yes, yang bersusun ke bawah. So you have to make like this. 84 divided 2. Oke, jadi kerjakan yang ke bawahnya ya nak ya.
Oke, Miss. Miss, nanti ceknya ke bawah juga atau jawaban aja?
Ditulislah caranya nak ke bawah, jangan langsung jawaban. Oke, Alira already? Chat. All of you have to do ya kids ya. Someday, listen to Miss. Someday I will collect your notebook also. Someday Miss akan mengumpulkan buku catatan kalian. So make sure apa yang Miss bilang dicatat ya nak.
Yes, Miss.
Oke.
Finish, Miss.
Oke, yang finish. If you have finished, please send your answer privately to me. in the chat box. Okay, yang already chat Miss Jecha, Cyril, just that. We wait for you ya kids ya. Okay, Alira already. Good job.
Finish, Miss.
Okay, if you finish, please send to me your answer ya kids ya. Chat box privately. Just number 1. It's okay, just number 1.
Miss, tapi tadi ini Kakak ngerjain yang nomor 3, Miss.
Oh, nomor 3 tadi kalau kerjanya ya?
Iya.
Oke lah. Oke, now you can do number 1. Cobalah diulang lagi ya sayang ya, nggak apa-apa ya, number 1 ya. Miss tunggu ya, number 1.
Number 1 aja, Miss.
Iya, number 1 aja dulu ya.
Tapi itu nomor 3, Miss. Miss, I already number 1.
Gimana Kayla? Wait ya.
Tapi Kakak udah nulis yang nomor 3 Jani ya?
Ya udahlah, nggak apa-apa. Tapi but you can send to me ya your answer ya. Make number 3 ya, biar Miss tahu jawabannya itu nomor berapa.
Oke, Miss.
Okay. Novin already, Jasmine already, Manchester. Okay. How about others?
Number 1.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Number 1. Si Cyril nanya, Miss udah boleh leave? Belum lah sayang. Wait ya sayang ya. How about Rafael?
I want drink.
Oh, if you want to drink, you can go. It's okay. Giselle, Radit. Is it difficult? If you have any question, bisa di-unmute dan tanya Miss ya. Miss nunggu si Restu, si Juan,
Miss already finished.
si Rafael. Already finished, you can send to me privately in the chat box ya kids. Putra, not yet.
Miss, number 2 and 3 do also.
Number 2 and 3, nggak usah dulu ya nak ya. But if you want to try, you can write number 2 and number 3, okay? Tapi yang dikirim sama Miss number 1 aja dulu.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, Kayla already, good job. Restu, Rafael. Oke, good. Putra not yet, Giselle. If you have any question, ditanya nak, yang mana yang susah? Yang mana belum mengerti?
Yes, have homework.
For now, we don't have homework. Next week, I will give your homework ya kids ya.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, I think that's all ya. Kita pisah ya.
What?
Okay, Restu already, good job. Okay, now kita bahas sama-sama yuk. Let's discuss it together. Okay, now after this, apa yang mau kita kerjain nak? Wait ya, oh wait, stop share.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1 tadi kan 84.
84 divided 2.
Okay, now the first step we made in long division. 84 divided by 2. Okay, What the first step, kids? Who can explain?
The division is
Yeah?
divide.
Ya, first we divide the left, yang paling kiri. Berarti angka 8 kan? Oke, we divide. 8 divided by 2 is?
4 Miss.
Yeah, good job, 4. So, write 4 on the top. 4. Okay, good. After divide is?
2.
Multi.
Okay.
Multi. And then subtract. Miss tulis dulu ya di sini ya biar nanti gampang. Subtract and bring down. Bring down. To divide. Oke. Divide tadi kan pembagian, multiply perkalian, subtract pengurangan, bring down diturunkan ke bawah. Oke, after we divide, we're going to multiply, right? Okay, what number we multiply?
4 times 2 Miss.
Okay, so 4 times 2 is?
8 Miss.
Okay, we write 8 in here di bawahnya. After we multiply, we are going to?
Subtract Miss.
Okay, we subtract. So 8 minus 8 is?
0 Miss.
Okay, so we write 0 below them. Okay. After we subtract, we're going to?
To bring down.
Yes, bring down. What number we bring down? Angka yang mana kita bring down?
4 Miss.
Okay, good job. 4. So we have 4 in there. After we bring down, we?
Divide
Okay.
Miss.
What number we divide?
4 divided by 2 Miss.
Okay, 4 divided by 2 is equal?
2 Miss.
Okay, so we write 2 on the?
Up.
Okay, good job. In the up or in the top. And then after we divide, we are going to?
Multiply.
Yeah, multiply. So what number we multiply?
2
Times?
2 times 2.
Okay, so 2 times 2 is? 2 times 2 is equal to?
4.
4. So we write 4 on here. And then after we multiply, we subtract. Okay. So 4 minus 4 is?
0.
0. Good job. And after we subtract, we are going to?
Ya, mereka bisa lihat. Kalau enggak,
Down.
Bring down. Okay. But see, there is no number in here. Nggak ada lagi Miss angka di sampingnya yang mau kita bring down. So it means we have
Finish.
Yes. Karena udah nggak ada lagi angka yang mau di bring down, it means we already finished. So the answer is, the result is?
42.
Okay, jadi resultnya itu on the top, in the up. So, I can make, 84 divided by 2 is equal to 42. Now, I want to ask you, siapa yang jawabannya benar?
Miss, tadi aku siap waktu Miss sampai Miss baru mau bahas Miss.
Oh, okay. It's okay ya kids ya. It's okay. So, 84 divided by 2 is equal to 42. Nah, Miss lihat jawabannya in the chat box. Most of you already correct. Okay, berarti udah paham ya nak ya number 1 ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now please do number 2 and 3 on your notebook also. Okay. Now you can write down the question number 2 and number 3. Tulis soalnya aja dulu. Nanti dijawab nanti setelah Zoom meeting. Nanti takutnya waktunya nggak cukup nak.
Yes. masa catat lagi ya, Miss? Kan kakak nggak ngerjain.
Iya, tapi udah dikerjakan di buku catatannya kan, Nak?
Iya.
Ya, oke. Remember, one day, suatu hari nanti Miss akan minta kumpulkan buku catatan or your notebook. Nah, jadi nanti Miss periksa. Miss periksa nanti siapa yang rajin mencatat, Miss periksa. Oke, but make sure if I ask you to write this, please write on your notebook ya. Oke.
Miss. Finish, Miss.
Oke, good job. Yang lain Miss tunggu ya.
Tulis pertanyaannya aja atau jawabannya juga.
Pertanyaannya dulu. If you have write the pertanyaannya or the question, you can try by yourself, number 2 and number 3. Next meeting I will ask. Ya, nanti jadi ini Miss ingat nanti nih ya. Berarti Falcon class ada homework number 2 dan number 3, tapi no need to collect in Friday ya, nggak perlu diantar ke sekolah. Just we discuss in the Zoom meeting like this.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Already nak? Belum?
Miss.
Oke, number 2, number 3 ya. Siapa yang belum ini? Miss lihat dulu ya, siapa yang belum selesai menulis. Oke, Restu already, Restu?
Already, Miss.
Oke, good job. Alira, Moria, Juan.
Already, Miss.
Oke, Juan already. Moria, Alira.
Already, Miss.
Oke, Alira already. Moria.
Already, Miss.
Oke, good. Oke, good job. Oke, I will stop share ya because most of you already write this. Nah, oke nak, jadi itulah pelajaran kita about division, practice about division without remainder atau sisa and regrouping atau pengelompokan. In the next meeting, we will discuss yang with. Kan kalau kita minggu ini without, next meeting kita with remainder and regrouping. Okay, don't forget to do your notebook tadi ya, your homework in your notebook. Next meeting I will ask you ya kids ya. Okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good job. Now I think that's all for today. We can remember ya kids ya, you can check our recording after this class. I will send to your group class ya kids ya, biar bisa belajar sendiri anak ya. Okay, now you give your reaction. I will screenshot. Okay. Now, okay, good job. Give the best smile. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, once more. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Thank you, Falcon class. See you in the next meeting. Bye-bye. You can leave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.